Hi everyone. So a lot of people have been asking me again about the origins of the sport that's now known as golf, and I'm going to just retell you that story in case you've forgotten. So long time ago, right, I know 300, 400 years ago in Scotland, a lot of rich men used to play this game when they hit a ball into a hole. Now, they never actually had a name for it, right? But a lot of these posh gentlemen in nice suits used to play this game, okay? So as the game developed and society developed and became more equal, women started to play this game as well. And posh men playing it meant that posh women were playing it too. So the men used to turn up in their suits and their top hats, play this lovely game, and the women started to play it as well. Yeah? And women used to turn up in their smart dresses and their high-heeled shoes. Yeah? Now, this was a problem because as the game developed, the courses developed as well, and they had these lovely putting greens, these smooth carpet-like areas of grass. And more women started to play this game. And this became an issue. Holes started appearing on the lawns, these lovely lawns that the men took ages making nice. Holes started to appear. And so, I don't know, after a few months or so of this maybe, it wasn't long, the men got together and had a meeting about it. And they decided to ban women from the game. And thus far, the name golf was given to this sport. Why? Gentlemen only, ladies forbidden. So, gentlemen only, ladies forbidden. And it's all about this shoe, isn't it? The ladies would turn up playing the sport wearing their high-heeled shoes. Now, what is the difference between a high-heeled shoe and the flat shoe that the men wore? What's the difference? The difference, ladies and gentlemen, is the surface area in contact with the ground. This shoe has a much larger surface area in contact with the ground than this shoe. What does that mean? It means that this shoe exerts less pressure on the ground than this one. More pressure, less surface area, more holes. Let's have a look at the equation and do some little bit of... Oh, good job, I got a board right here, eh? Lovely. So, pressure, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, camera's coming round. I was going to flip it. Great. Pressure equals force divided by area. Yeah? So, let's say if we had someone that had a force of 500 newtons and the surface area of their shoe was, let's say, I don't know, 100 centimeters squared, we have force divided by area. So we have a pressure of 5 newtons per centimeter squared. Now, this woman here, sorry to highlight woman there, I didn't mean to, this other shoe has, let's say, half that area. Yeah? So, if we do, let's say, 500 divided by 50 centimeters, we have a pressure of 10 newtons per centimeter square. So, if you halve the surface area, you double the pressure. And that's the lesson. Okay guys, so we're just going to play around with the pressure equation here. You've got to remember this, pressure equals force divided by area. Now we can put that into a triangle like this. So this is the cheapest way to rearrange it. And we have this, pressure equals force divided by area. Pressure equals force divided by area. How do you, if you want to calculate the force and you've only got the pressure in the area information available, how do you calculate force? Well, you cover up force and you have pressure times area. So force equals pressure times area. Now, if you had the information about the force and the pressure and you wanted to calculate area, how would you do that? Cover up the A and you've got force divided by pressure. So area equals force divided by pressure. And you're going to need to use these three equations in your quiz. Good luck.